In Amethi and Raebareli, Congress is yet to announce candidates for both these constituencies that are known to be family bastions of the Congress party. Both Raebareli and Amethi will vote on the 20th of May in the 5th phase, but the Grand Old Party is yet to announce candidates, and Congress workers are, of course, restless. In fact, just 2 more days to go for the final nominations to be filed. Party workers in Amethi staged a protest seeking some announcement of these candidates from the top leadership of the Congress. Protests were seen, the protesters who were there were seen holding Amethi, Mange, Rahul, Priyanka posters in their hands. Now, let me remind you that about 48 hours that still remains, and yet there's no announcement. The filing of nomination happens on the 3rd of May. Congress party is expected to announce their decision in the next 24 hours. India Today on top of that story.
अमेठी और रायबरेली की जनता के साथ जो दगा कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेताओं ने किया, ये बड़े अफसोस की बात है। जिस अमेठी और रायबरेली को कांग्रेस पार्टी अपना गढ़ बताती थी, सत्ता में कितने लंबे समय तक रहे, लेकिन उस अमेठी और रायबरेली के लिए कभी भी कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेताओं ने कुछ नहीं किया। आज देखिए किस तरीके से अमेठी से उल्टे पांव कांग्रेस पार्टी के शीर्ष नेता उल्टे पांव भाग खड़े हुए। वहां पे अपने कांग्रेस पार्टी को वहां कोई गंभीर प्रत्याशी नहीं मिल रहा चुनाव लड़ने के लिए। ये साफ जाहिर करता है कि अमेठी और रायबरेली का क्या मन है, क्या मत है।
अमेठी का हर नागरिक है, वो राहुल गांधी जी का इंतजार कर रहा है, हम सब इंतजार कर रहे हैं। अफवाहें कुछ भी हो, हम तो मानते हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने उस रणनीति में कामयाब रही है कि जिस तरह से साउथ के दोनों फेज में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को पूरी तरह साफ कर दिया है, उत्तर भारत के बचे हुए चुनाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हाफ करने की रणनीति थी। कहीं न कहीं राहुल गांधी जी के उस तपस्या से, राहुल गांधी जी के उस संघर्ष से कांग्रेस पार्टी मजबूती के साथ खड़ी और मैं यकीन है राहुल गांधी जी आएंगे।
इंडिया गठबंधन में कांग्रेस पार्टी को रायबरेली और अमेठी की सीट छोड़ दी गई है और हम लोग ये चाहते हैं कि रायबरेली से प्रियंका गांधी और अमेठी से राहुल गांधी जी चुनाव लड़ें, ये जनता भी चाहती है।
Cutting to Abhishek Mishra of India Today, joining us live from Lucknow. Abhishek, please go on, give us more on Amethi and Raebareli. No news from the Congress on that front. While all other constituencies have been announced, there are protests now that the Congress workers have launched demanding Rahul Gandhi itself to contest or Priyanka. When's the final word coming out?
Well, Nabila, that has become a very big question today in Uttar Pradesh, specifically for the congressmen, for the cadre, for those workers who are demanding it constantly. Yesterday also there was a protest and they demanded with the poster that Priyanka on Raebareli and Rahul should come on Amethi seat. But that question is still unanswered. And we're expecting that maximum by today or tomorrow morning is the deadline, because 3rd of May is the last day for the nomination. Also, very interestingly, BJP has not also given a candidate in Raebareli, so there also is going to be a very interesting battle. We're expecting that announcement also from the BJP today. So yes, these 2 seats have become the focal center as of now for the politics in Uttar Pradesh, and it remains to be seen what will be the final decision. But moreover, the fight is already getting very intense, and the voters on the ground are also a bit confused whether or not the Gandhi family will come, but that will have to wait, and it looks like that within 24 hours that question should be answered.